In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security. Over here. Now click on Screen Lock and select the best login method for you by tapping on it. Pattern, PIN or complex password. When you're ready, you need to create it. Click on Next. Repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Confirm. Last but not least, tap on one of those options to answer the question above. What do you want to show on the lock screen? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and click on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!